I'm gonna fill this valley, right?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out slow, just kind of work it back and forth, coming down, right?
Okay.
Now you're gonna see that as I'm welding it, okay? So mine's automatic, yours is not. So when I tell you to, just put it down and then just stay right there, and then you'll kind of see how my hand is moving. That's fine.
All the stuff to grip on.
And then you'll see how my hand's moving back and forth, and then I'll have you try some over here, just so if you mess it up, I don't have to grind it all up.
I'm not gonna mess anything up.
All right, ready?
Okay.
There I go. Off center. What the fuck am I hitting? That looks like shit. But whatever, it'll hold. Alright. So, I'm looking up now. So what you want to do is you want to go kind of half moves. You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah. Crescent move.
Huh?
Crescent move.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where at? What am I doing?
So put this one on.
Okay, where am I going now?
So just weld a bead right here. Just straight down. Try and go straight down along this one right here. Now all you got to do is
Next
just...
to it?
Huh? Yeah, just next to it.
But where? I mean, how do you make it work?
Just push the trigger.
Oh, okay. Does this thing have batteries in it?
Huh?
Does this thing have batteries in it?
Yeah.
It's flickering. Ah! Fuck. I can't see.
Gotta get it closer. Closer.
I'm touching it.
What? No, closer.
I don't know, but I'm...
Alright. Look up. Here, look. See how long that is?
Yeah.
You want it like that.
Oh.
You want it right up against it when you start. That's a little too fast. So it's a little too fast side to side. So you want to get a little closer. You want to get a little closer. You got to get it on fresh metal. So you want it closer, and you want to hear that nice crackle, a constant crackle.
I don't know what that. I can't see it though. That's the problem.
Slow, half move. All right, good.
I think that's pretty. I think that's professional.
All right, so
It looks like a turd.
you heard that last weld. You heard that nice crackle.
Yeah.
You were a nice crackle. You just got to get your movements down. So
I was nice crackle.
it was a nice crackle. See the difference is it's nice and smooth. It's not all like potty right up here.
Yeah.
But so this is what you basically want to do.
Don't
No,
do
I'm not.
it.
You know what I mean? You want
Yeah.
it to melt into the metal. So you got to heat up that metal, and you got to heat up both sides of the metal. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So you just want it to nice crackle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let me grind that down real quick. We'll do some more.
Why do you have to take it off?
I want to give you a smooth surface.
But it's there already. I did my work.
Yeah, right.